Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll answer a question a lot of people ask. Can I hide my real name on PayPal? And if so, what are the legitimate, safe ways to protect your privacy? Let's walk through the options step by step. First, the important truth. PayPal needs your real, legal information for verification and compliance, so you can't lawfully pretend to be someone else or submit false ID. However, there are legitimate ways to limit what other people see and to present a business or display name to recipients instead of your full legal name. Let's look at those options. Option 1. Use a business account. If you don't want payees to see your personal name, consider switching to or opening a PayPal business account. Business accounts can show a business or display name to customers, while PayPal still keeps your legal name on file for verification. This is the most straightforward, compliant route to avoid showing your personal name to buyers or clients. Option 2. Adjust PayPal privacy and profile settings. Check your data and privacy and profile settings in PayPal. You can manage what personal profile information is visible and how people can search for you inside the PayPal network. Limiting searchability and public info reduces how often your name shows up. This won't remove PayPal's knowledge of your legal name, but it can reduce exposure to others. Option 3. Use a PayPal.me link wisely. If you use PayPal.me, remember, the link can show your name or business name and general location to people who use it. If you want to hide your personal name, set the PayPal account tied to PayPal.me to a business name, per option 1, or make sure profile details are as privacy limited as PayPal allows. Option 4. Display name versus legal name, what others see. What recipients will see depends on your settings and account type. PayPal typically shows the payer's name, profile picture, and the amount to the recipient, so the display name matters. But PayPal keeps your legal name for verification even if others see a business or display name. Don't try to bypass this. It's required for safety and legal reasons. Quick steps to take right now. Log in, settings, account type, consider switching to a business account if appropriate. Go to Settings, Data and Privacy, and tune what's visible or searchable. If you use PayPal.me, check how your name appears and change the account display name if needed. If you need a different public-facing name for legitimate business reasons, submit the required documentation to change your business or display name. PayPal will still verify your legal name privately. Important warnings. Do not submit false information or fake IDs. That breaks PayPal's terms and can lead to account suspension or legal trouble. These tips are about privacy and display names, not about evading identity checks or committing fraud. Always stay within PayPal's rules and the law. You now know the honest, safe ways to avoid showing your personal name to customers on PayPal. Use a business account, tighten privacy settings, and control your PayPal.me or display name. Thanks for watching this video. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more calm, clear, and concise privacy guides. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll help.